While your dad would have you believe the glory days of hot rodding died in the late. While your dad would have you believe the glory days of hot rodding died in the late 70s, it's pretty evident that 2017 is the golden era of performance. If you look around, there are more high-horsepower cars being built now by more manufacturers than ever before, and with today's technology, they're able to build cars that crank out massive power while maintaining perfect manners and decent fuel economy, something the carbureted dinosaurs of the 60s and 70s could never claim. While I wouldn't date this the vintage rides that paved the way for today's cars, especially since most all of them have adopted visual cues from the very cars that steered the horsepower wars decades ago, you can't deny the current supply of horsepower rolling off the assembly line is pretty badass. Plus it's fostered a new battle for supremacy among both manufacturers and their loyal fan bases, each of whom flies the banner of their chosen brand as if it were their very own coat of arms. Sign up to be a VIP member, shop for double your entries, $50,000 or this 1000 HP Hellcat. Click image above to claim 2x the entries. One of the most intense battles is between GM's LS engine camp and Ford's Coyote fans, with both engines being used for swaps and in race cars coast to coast daily. While the LS may be more popular as far as swaps because it's a bit smaller and lighter, the Coyote has an undeniable appeal, especially to those who bleed Ford blue. Guys at Modular Mustang Racing have built their Gen X Coyote to the absolute max and dropped it between the frame rails of a gorgeous Mustang Pro Mod and used that lethal combo to lay down a new modular motor world record. MMR's own Mark Luton behind the wheel, MMR's silver stand clicked off a 5.84 laps time at over 254 mph at last weekend's Streetcar Super Nationals in Las Vegas, and our friend Hans from Free Life Films was there to capture the record-breaking performance. The MMR Gen X Coyote engine continues to push the boundaries of the Ford DOHC engine and show that this engine will continue to change the face of Ford drag racing, says MMR of their power plant. With the pride of the Blue Oval faithful riding on their performance, we know MMR will continue to push the Coyote quicker and faster, and that will ratchet up the pressure on the LS guys to follow suit, and the cycle will continue, with all of us being winners in this war.